Hello everyone and welcome to another Wild Edibles episode. So, picture this. You're out lost in the woods and it's just recently snowed. There's a reasonably thick coat of snow on the ground. All of the field garlic and other wild edibles that tend to weather the winter are completely hidden and the ground's frozen, so even if you found them, good luck digging the tubers up. Everything above the snow is looking pretty dead, and you're worried that if you don't find some food soon, you'll also be pretty dead yourself. Lucky for you, there's one wild edible that's got you covered. And in this case, it's a really good one. These right here are dock plants. And I don't know what species, there are a number of them, but it really doesn't matter. All the species is going to determine is how many seeds are on each plant and how they taste. But in a survival situation, if you find a whole field of them, species doesn't matter. This species is very good as a winter food source because when the plant underneath dies, it leaves this stalk with plenty of edible seeds on top. Now, if I go to get a handful of seeds, you'll see if I pull, they'll come right off very easily. Now, in order to crush the seeds, what you will do is take them in your hand. This doesn't work with gloves, by the way, and just rough them up. And what you can do is either open it to the wind and let the husks blow away. It's very difficult to do one-handed. I usually do it two-handed. But the husks are much lighter than the inner seed, so it should blow away. Or if you can find some water, the seeds are denser than water and everything else is lighter than water, so you can easily just separate it that way. Well, it's not my best work, but that's what the seeds look like when they're separated from the outer husk. This is a close relative of buckwheat, so the seeds are very similar in that regard. And as for how they taste, as I said, it depends a lot on the species, but a lot of chewing. It's essentially a grain. Can be a little bitter if you're not used to it, but it's not bad. And considering how plentiful and nutritious it is, let's be honest, in a survival situation, it doesn't matter how it tastes. This plant will keep you alive, full stop. Well, I hope you've all learned something and enjoyed. See ya.